Imagine transforming the activities you love into a thriving source of income. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Yet in today's digital era, turning hobbies into lucrative income streams is not only possible, but increasingly accessible. Let's delve deeper into how you can achieve this online. Firstly, identify which of your hobbies excite you the most. It's essential to choose something that you are passionate about, as maintaining motivation is key when converting a hobby to a business. Once you've pinpointed your interest, research if there's a market demand for it. For example, if painting is your passion, platforms like Etsy or Saatchi Art provide a marketplace to sell your artwork directly to interested buyers. Next, consider creating content. Video platforms like YouTube or social media outlets like Instagram and TikTok can be perfect avenues to showcase your talents. If you excel in music, consider creating tutorials or entertainment content. Building an audience can be slow at first, but focus on quality and authenticity. Over time, this can attract sponsorships or partnerships, thereby generating income. Moreover, look into online courses or workshops. Platforms such as Udemy or Skillshare allow you to monetize your skills by teaching others. Whether you're proficient in graphic design, cooking, or digital marketing, there's likely an audience eager to learn. Don't forget to explore affiliate marketing should your hobby align with certain products. Recommending products you genuinely love and use can earn you commission, providing another income stream. Finally, patience and persistence are pivotal. It might take time to see significant returns, but unwavering dedication paired with strategic planning can eventually lead to financial rewards. In conclusion, the satisfaction of making money from what you love is unparalleled. Embrace the opportunity, and soon your hobby won't just be a pastime, but a profitable venture.